It's been 5 years since I've done my original Draw My Life, which I deleted, so let's catch up. So I was born in Oldham, very proud Oldhamer, and then we moved to Ireland, but we moved a little bit around the place before we landed in Ireland, hence why I have such a strange accent. There were 4 in my family before I came along. There was my dad, my mom, my brother Michael, and my brother Declan. Then there was me, and a few years later, my sister, Trina. I'm really lucky they've been supportive of my entire journey when it comes to creating my channel, working on my book, and that's kind of where we left off, happily enjoying life. But things changed slowly, but also very suddenly, and I started to lose myself, falling into a darkness I never saw coming. It was like nothing mattered, and all I could see were storm clouds. I couldn't even enjoy the fact that I'd fulfilled one of my greatest dreams, which was publishing a book. While all this was happening, I kept putting on a brave face, but at night I was struggling with panic attacks and nightmares. I did my job, I worked out, I kept a healthy diet. I did everything that I thought you were meant to do, but at the same time that nightly routine would happen. Months went by like this, and I pushed myself to breaking point. I didn't ask for help, I kept everything to myself, and I very nearly lost myself. One sleepless night, I researched the word mindfulness, which honestly sounds like the weirdest thing in the world. But slowly things started to make sense. I started reading a lot of books about mindfulness, meditation, other people's stories about their struggle with depression, anxiety. Sometimes it was really frustrating, and then other times it kind of clicked. I got back to nature and I found new hobbies that I enjoyed. It was a struggle, I had to force myself to do a lot. But over time, things improved. Through mindfulness and meditation, it's helped me gain control back of my life. No matter how stormy it gets, I know there's always a clear sky underneath, and I'm just going to keep doing what I love. Be kind to yourself, everyone, and thanks for watching.